Welcome to Angkor Wat, the biggest religious building in the world, and we are here for sunrise. Check out all the crowds to make the perfect sunrise picture at Angkor Wat. 6:30 and there's so many people here for sunrise. Look at all the people standing there at that lake. That's where we were before as well. And now we're going to enter the temple here. We're now inside the temple, which is a huge complex, even bigger than the Vatican. And as you can see behind me, there are a lot of renovations going on at the moment. Something I find very interesting is that all of these stones are that black. It's really dark, which gives it a special look. I wonder if after renovations it's still gonna look that black, or it will be like cleaned up and look more white like this. I've seen pictures where you can climb up these stairs, these very steep stairs going all the way up there. But now it's not allowed anymore, which is logical. It's actually pretty peaceful here. This was built as a Hindu temple in the 12th century and then converted to a Buddhist temple in the 13th century. There is someone coming down from the stairs. From the old stairs, not the new ones. Normally we should be able to go up here from 6:40 a.m. It is now almost 7, so it should be open. It's not Holy Day as far as I know. I just asked these guys behind me. Apparently today is Buddha Day. And once a week it's Buddha Day. It's not always the same day apparently. But that's why it's closed. Wow. Sunrise at Angkor Wat. When you come to Angkor Wat, be prepared for a lot of stairs. There are lots of stairs and they are steep. But it is beautiful. It's incredible, guys. And you can walk almost anywhere here. There are not many restrictions. You can walk on these old stones. You can touch everything. Wow. Amazing, guys. Bye bye Angkor Wat. Up to the next temple. Having a little sandwich here with Louisa right in front of Angkor Wat. How cool is this? And we have all these little shops here. Number 2, number 3, number 4, but up just like that in these stands. They're all the same places. And we are at Jack Sparrow number 3, Mr. John, Lily. And next to us is Harry Potter. There we have Superman, James Bond, anything you want. Having a little coffee here as well. What a beautiful life, guys. Amazing. We have rented the motorcycle for $10 a day. Of course, Louisa is driving because I'm quite afraid of motorcycles. Let's go! We're going to visit a couple of temples, the most important ones. One of them is the temple from Tomb Raider, Lara Croft, so that's going to be interesting. Check this out, guys, all the faces on the right and the left. And it looks like we're just gonna drive into the temple here. How cool is this?
Look at the face.
Oh wow, look at the big face up there.
Wow.
Woo! Oh, that was actually just the entrance gate to the city. Wow, guys, check out this temple. That's very impressive. This is the Bayon temple. It's called the Temple of the 216 Smiley Faces. You can see the faces all up those higher points there, one after another. Unlike Angkor Wat, this temple used to be the center of the city. Angkor Wat was a temple out of the city. This was the city center of the Khmer capital, and it used to be totally covered in gold. It looks a bit like a maze here. It's getting very hot now with the sun on our faces. And there are many more people as well. Look at these details on the wall. Wow, this is really something from a movie. Look at all these doors. Look at that face up there as well. Seems like this part is broken down already. Just look at these details on the sides of the door. So many doors here, one after another. This part is closed here. Oh, there's a little monkey up there, eating together with the guy. What's this noise? Oh, it must be bats up there. The views here are absolutely amazing. Wow. Check out the faces. We have a face here. I have a face up there. It's actually pretty high. Hello, my little friend. What are you doing? Eating here? With the beautiful view of the Bayon temple behind you. Okay, our guys checking out Luisa's feet here. Something smelly in there, no. I know.
Oh. Ah!
Was he biting you?
I don't know what he was gonna do.
Look at that. Can he open?
Oh, his hands are cold. Oh, baby, what are you doing? Your hands are so soft. Okay, I'm gonna move.
Yeah, just slowly. Oh,
Very slowly.
can he open the shoe? No, no, he's like, what's under there? Oh yeah, let's have a look under there. Yeah. I guess you're lost. Oh! Oh my god. Okay, I think you should try to go.
Yeah. Oh.
Throw the bottle. Throw the bottle. Oh! Go now, go now, go now, go now. Yeah, slowly, slowly, slowly. We just stumbled upon this little gate. It's called the Gate of the Dead. Look at this, guys. There's a little face up there. Anywhere else this would be a big highlight, but here's just one of the many buildings in this area, and there's almost no one here. There's just one other guy here with this guy and two people walking here now. These buildings are so impressive, and they're all in the middle of the nature, and you can just walk around it, climb around it. It's not that well organized yet here. Pretty sure in a couple of years or decades it's all gonna be much more closed off and you cannot just climb up here. Still try to be respectful, of course. We're not gonna climb on there. There's also a sign not to do that. But look, there's a beautiful walking path here. Wow. Check out these trees, guys. They are massive. All the way up there. Wow. Ooh, what a beautiful forest to walk in. Look at this pile of stones, the roots of the tree going all the way up there. This temple has been totally covered by the nature. Look how this tree just grew over this wall. As you can see, this temple is really in a bad shape. There's even a tree coming out of the temple. I'm in the temple where Angelina Jolie walked as Lara Croft in the movie Tomb Raider. This is Ta Prohm in Cambodia. This temple was abandoned after the fall of the Khmer Empire in the 15th century, and it was totally taken over by the nature. Check out this tree on top of the temple. Apparently this is the part from the movie. That's why it's plenty of people here. Hello, this kind lady just sold me this secret package. We don't know what it is. We tried to find out, but it was hard to communicate. So I just bought one for $1 and we're going to find out what is inside.
Hello!
It's a package of banana leaves. Nicely, very nicely packaged. Alright, let's see what's inside. Can be anything. Fruits, rice. Oh, but do we know what it is? What is this? It's just a package of this. Let's try it. Very, very sweet. Like sugar, like eating sugar. How would you describe it?
This is, of course, this is sugar cane.
Sugar cane. This is made from sugar cane.